Yes. So here there is the Indian scenario, it's a hurried life, we have got ACs, we have these mobiles and all. I love Kamtol. I just want to tell you that I love Kamtol in Bengal also, in Kolkata side. I just drive off. I go out from the city. I just take off. I don't care if I'm being paid or not paid. My job is different, so I don't work. Basically, I am in a company where I take care of things and I don't get a salary, but I get much more than that. So when I was working in my last job, so what was that? I didn't have to put an application that I'm going. I didn't have to tell anybody that I'm going out. I have to just drop a message, and I'm on my phone 24 hours. I'll not talk to anybody on my phone unless it's very urgent or my boss does not call me. I don't talk. I used to not even disturb him. And I used to just fill my petrol, also paid by the company, in my car, and the car was my own. And I used to just drive off, go away from the city crowd, 80 kilometers, 90 kilometers. I used to just go away and park my car on the highway and look into the fields and or book a lodge somewhere. Sometimes I used to drive down to the seaside. I used to go towards your Sundarbans. You drive till a place. After that, the car does not go. Nothing goes. You have to take a boat. So I used to take the boat and just go in with the boat and take a swirl around the jungle and again come back in the evening. So I have done that. I have gone to the docks, the ship docks. I used to just go away to the ship docks and sit there, or take a boat and go around the river Ganga, Hooghly River. It's quiet, just move off from the crowd. That's what basic people like. I don't want these ACs, I don't want this, I don't want that. I want peace, a normal life. If you stay in Kolkata for 2 days, you'll get mad. First, you like it very much. After that, you won't like it at all, because wherever you stay, there'll be always honking of the horn. It's either the police siren or the ambulance siren or the horns, the taxi horns, or your car horns or the bike horn, or the cut, 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 cut. Everything is going on the whole day. It's so busy. Thousands and millions of people are coming and going with different problems. But in the evening, you go to the parks, you go to the fields. You have these huge fields in Kolkata where you go and sit and enjoy the evening. It cools down and everything becomes fine. So in this, the sky has been described also. There's no pollution in Kamtol, natural resources, having time to enjoy the evening with family, you know. And the sky has also been described in three ways: filled with twitterings of birds, the morning sky; the afternoon sky, the unchangeable glare of the midday sun; the evening sky studded with stars. The various types. She's also trying to show the God's made beauty. The street has been described in three ways: the morning street, eager, showing positive signs of winning the day's battles, the afternoon street, panting, life undone, scorching heat; the evening street, singing of merrymaking and relaxation. It's very difficult to say which street she is trying to show, or which part of the country she is trying to show. It's an urban or a rural. We don't know. It's unclear. The use of bread as morning is quite unnatural, as morning food, but this Western culture is coming in. Now, when we are talking about tending flock and binding grains, we are talking about rural life. Buy fruits in Indian villages. Do we really need to buy for consuming fruits, or do we simply pluck and eat? Buy fruits is again in the urban side, but in the villages or in your Kamtal area, you have so many fruit trees. You just go out, pluck and eat. It's yours. Buy flowers, same as fruits. As flower needed to be sold in villages, no, you have flowers everywhere. You are having your agriculture, but there's a part of the rural place, there's a part of the urban city also she's trying to match up. So this is what it's all about, and I hope you were able to understand. Now you can read through and understand what I said. Listen to the video, if possible, write it down. This is the best way I can explain it. I guess this is the best ever part I have been able to uh, you know tell it to you, or rather explain it to you. So take care, bye bye, and guys, best of luck for your exams, and see you soon.